Good morning, ladies. Do y'all want some snacks this morning? I got some worms. Yeah, I got some worms. Y'all want to get out of my way? Listen. It's breezy this morning. I am like really saddened to hear that this hurricane is going towards Tampa again. My family lives in Tampa. They just got hammered by Hurricane Helene. And now they're getting this hurricane, and I'm just, it's really a crappy situation. Pa, did y'all sleep well last night? Yeah. And no yucky stray cats this morning either. I'm waiting for my mom to go get the cage from the neighbors so I can trap these stray cats.